Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a simple nail art tutorial that would help each and everyone be able to make their own nails at home. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My natural nails has already been prepped and currently I am doing my Gel X application. I am not trying to make my nails last long, so I skip the dehydrator and primer parts. But if you want your nails to last long, you can add that. And if you don't have any of these two, just use any base coat of your choice. I decided on using 2 magnets and I realized it would make my nails very short and I don't want that, so I increased it and made it 3. And now if I tell you this filing took me forever, you wouldn't believe. I am trying to achieve an almond shape. I'm going in as usual with my pad paint. Honestly, I need more colors, especially pastel colors. A little goes a long way. Million parts later, I'm finally done. Now I'm going in with my nude shade and I'm just gonna do 1 coat. Looking cute. I'm going in with white gel polish. I'm doing a French tip on my little and middle finger. So I've been seeing people usually mark the line where they want their French tip to start from and then add the 2 lines. So I decided to try it out and I would stick to what I usually do because I struggled really bad. I redid it. I had to wipe it all off and redo it. So as you're seeing on my middle finger, this is how I do it, and to me I find it more easier when you do the 2 lines and then you mark where you want your French tip to start from. I would recommend you try out all the ways and then figure out the one that works best for you. I'm going in with my green pigment / eyeshadow. For this step, if you have a green polish, you can just go straight in and do a green French tip. I am working with what I have. And it looks really good because I wanted it to look like an ombre where you can see the white slightly. I'm going in with some top coats. And the reason is I'm about to buff my nails. And after buffing the nails, I would go in with matte top coat. Combining both methods actually made my chrome look very clean. My chrome application has never looked that clean before, honestly. I'm mixing together rhinestone glue, black gel polish, and a drop of top coat. For the index, I am doing a French chrome and just some lines. Honestly, just draw lines and some random dots if you want. Honestly, just put anything you want there. It wouldn't really matter because the chrome would make it look really good. And yes, I'm saying it because mine doesn't look good. Make yours look good, okay? But if you can't, don't worry, because either way, it's still gonna look good. I mean, at this point, I don't even know what I'm doing. Me, every time I try to freestyle, it just looks crazy. Now I'm going in with the green chrome first. And after I'm done with that, I go in with the pink chrome. Cleaning chrome has never been this easy. Look at it slowly coming together. I am going in with some top coat. I'm doing some 3D flowers on my thumb, my index, my middle, and ring finger. I'm using solid glue gel for this art. It was naturally clear and I mixed in some white polish to give it that white look. For the index, I really wanted the flower to be very tiny. After curing, I am using the pink shade of the eyeshadow palette and I'm dabbing it in the center of the 3D flowers. I applied some gold caviar beads off camera. This is how the nail turned out. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Do you like it? Will you try it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in the next video.